Hi everyone, it's John.
And Ben.
And today we have something a little different and a little exciting.
It is the chocolate and toy surprise thingy.
It's an egg.
It's an egg. For Easter.
I was out grocery shopping on Thursday, and in the Easter candy aisle were these chocolate and toy surprise Choco Treasure eggs.
Easter eggs with Hello Kitty.
Now, we're in the USA, so we do not get Kinder eggs, and I think this may be the closest thing I've ever seen in the United States to a Kinder egg. It's a lot bigger than a Kinder egg.
Yeah.
But still, it's a chocolate egg with toys in it.
Yeah.
Because normal Kinder eggs we can't have here, because apparently
a kid might choke on that ginormous capsule that they keep the toy in.
we've been through this in the past.
Yes.
So I bought 4 of them. They were only 99 cents a piece. And apparently there are 12 toys to collect. You can get a puzzle or whatever these things are. A little deck of Hello Kitty cards. Have any of you seen Choco Treasures anywhere else? Are there any more besides Hello Kitty? I don't know. We'll keep our eyes open, but
Yep.
I've got 2 for me and 2 for Ben to open.
Okay.
So I'm going to open my first egg.
Chocolate.
I knew these wouldn't last until Easter.
No.
So just like the Kinder egg, the egg has chocolate coating on it. Oh, and it comes right off.
Ooh! It's very fragile. The chocolate's very fragile. I broke mine. Okay, one of them was.
Yeah, one side comes off really easy. The other is like...
There we go.
Oh, that's because of the way the egg is shaped.
Yeah. There we go. Got it.
So there's what the chocolate looks like off of it. Okay, let's see what we got in our eggs. I got a top.
I did too. We got the same one. We got the same top. That's funny.
Okay, well hopefully there are different toys in these other eggs. So I'm excited. I hope this is a ongoing thing.
That's great because I love chocolate and we love toys.
And we love blind bags, so...
Yep.
Okay. Get the chocolate coating off of mine. Ready? I got another top.
I did too. It's the same one.
Hey, what's going on here?
So we got 4 of the same exact tops.
And I tried to pull them out of different parts of the box.
Maybe that was the problem.
I should have just grabbed a whole bunch of them.
Yep. Should have just grabbed the whole box.
This wasn't a very exciting opening. Well, you get a little chocolate. How's the chocolate taste?
Not bad. It isn't the best chocolate I've ever had, but it's not bad. I'll eat it.
Maybe they'll have these at like the dollar store.
Maybe.
We'll be keeping our eyes open. I can't believe we got 4 of the same top.
It's the Dave incident all over again. Go back and watch our other videos. Ben has spoken.
There'll be a link down below where you can watch the Dave incident for yourself, apparently.
That's right. You don't want to be a spoiler alert.
If you liked our opening of the Hello Kitty Choco Treasure eggs, well, maybe you liked the opening more than we did. Be sure to subscribe to our channel.
And like and comment.
Can you stop eating that chocolate?
No.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram
On Twitter.
and on Facebook. Hey, that one was mine. Ben.
You can have that one.
Hey, come back. We'll see you next time.
Bye!